Okay, we're gonna get the PS1 game started. Okay, you're gonna need like a tissue, and then like roll it up like this. Get rolled up like that. And cut it off right here. And make sure you get it really super small because you're gonna have to fit it in this thing right here. I'll stick the paper in there. Make sure it's all good. Oh. There we go. Make sure that's good. Okay. Put your PS1 game in here. This is Tetris.
Yeah!
Start up your ps2. Oh yeah, make sure that you don't have that thing in there right now. Now what you do is you go into the browser. And then you stick this little piece of where we just made right here. So that the disc will start spinning. And then close it for a little second. Until the PS1 disc shows up right there. And then open it up. Get your copy. I'll probably give you one of these anyway. And then put it in there. Now, close it. And then run. See, this is soul color.
Namco!
Oh, crap.
Transcending